What's up, guys? Today we are at the EP automotive event called Hoodstock 2. We're up here at Clio, Michigan at the Auto City Speedway. We are going to try our hand at drifting today. We got Klaus looking all good over there, and Chad's changing some tires. And our setup, you guys saw before, we got a 28-foot race trailer now, which is awesome. Of course, we got Barry working real well. It's gonna be a good day. It's 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's actually camping too. Should be a good time. It's 9 a.m. to midnight each day. It's a lot of drifting, about 120 drivers, so we're gonna see how it goes. Let's get suited up and get on the track.
Well, we're going up to the line. We're already having issues with the clutch. Instantly! First lap interview, what did we learn?
There's no grip at all whatsoever.
Well, you're running on like a 195. 225, my bad.
Never really drifted Klaus, but it kind of made it around a little bit. The clutch is still almost like non-existent. I can basically get it into second and clutch kick a little. So I have to stay in second, but the top of second goes to like 85, 90 miles per hour. So we got some speed going around the corner, but even just that second lap was decent.
I feel like we should probably run third.
Third's way too much wheel speed.
No, just make it a burnout competition. It's a very, very open field burnout competition. Yeah. That's what you're going for.
Yeah.
All right, let's bleed this thing and see what we can do. People, that was a little bit of mechanic work for y'all. We did was bleed the clutch. I'm actually not even sure if Carl's gonna throw the time lapse in there, but He says that it feels like he has a little more pedal now. He can get it into gear. So they're actually doing open drift right now. I don't know if you can see the smoke or not, but we're gonna run back out there.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's try to, if we break anything or there's anything wrong with the car, I'd rather figure out now instead of like tonight or in the morning, and then we lose like all the day. At least today we can still get parts, still get crap like that. So I'd rather figure it out today.
What's your shirt say? Let me.
Oh, hey.
N-O Hapsons. I know. I told him, I said it's just an open competition burnout. So like, he must have spun out.
Hey guys, we're just driving down this main road in Michigan on the scooters right now.
Look at that bird.
The birds. Birds.
You look at the bird.
You got ADD like crazy. So, the reason Klaus was making noise was because we never tightened up. They do not care about us up here. Is Klaus's engine bolts were never tightened up. So, engine was kind of rocking back and forth. So we're on our way to AutoZone to get 2 nuts and bolts right now, so we can tighten that back down and be good. Other than that, Klaus is running good.
It's either 18 or 20. I'm feeling like it's 18. Oh, is it metric?
Could be.
There's 3/8 18. No, that's 16.
M10 150.
I ain't got my thread gauge on me, man.
All right, guys. After a short little lunch break, fixed another couple things on Klaus. Steering was acting funky. Well, now we're gonna take a few people. We got Chad, and then we're gonna get our buddy Justin in here. Hopefully he's gonna teach me how to drift. Someone say it. Who's gonna say it? Did you know you couldn't park there? out swapping tires. There's a million some tires to change, you know. But the drift event just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and now it's nighttime drifting. It's like 10:30 right now, and the lights will be on until at least midnight, they said. So this is absolutely crazy. I just started up Klaus, letting him warm up right now, but I'm gonna walk up here towards the start so you guys can see what it looks like. Still trying to get it down. It's really hard in this car, but oh, there's also no power steering. That pump went out, I guess, whenever. So I'm like yanking the steering wheel. It's real fun, but we'll get it. We got 2 more days of this.
On the 360. Something broke? I don't know, something broke. Oh, I'm gonna take it in. Something's weird. Yeah. Like it just died on us again, like it won't fucking run.
Alright guys, that's it for day 1. Learned a whole lot in Klaus. Chad, did you learn a lot today?
Day 2.
Day 2.
To you. Don't listen to the man.
It's the next day. We didn't shoot an outro. But anyways, guys, we're gonna end it up there. We gotta change the power steering pump. We'll see you in the next video.